Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today our topic is classes in a Python. Introduction to classes in a Python. Classes are blueprints for creating objects in a Python. Objects are instances built from a blueprints. Key features of classes including encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, enabling powerful and reusable code structures. Now, what is defining a class? Class keyword used to define a new class. Init method constructed to initialize class instantiates. Self parameter refers to the current object instantiates. Example like dog, class dog. Dog is a class. Def init self is a default name comma breed. Class attributes versus instantaneous attributes. Class attributes means shared across all instances of the class. Instance attributes. Unique value stored per object instance. Examples: dog dot spaces is a class attribute. My underscore dog dot name is instant attribute. Next, methods in a class. Method explains self parameter. Example, calling method. Now we have to look on methods explained. Function defines inside classes operating on instance. Self parameter. Always first parameter referring instance attributes. Now we have to check one example. Class dog def bark self print wolf calling method using instance method. Special method like an magic moment method double underscore within in a double underscore str string representation of object. Double underscore using lens returns the length of this size. Double underscore using a add defines addition behavior between the objects. Now what are the advantages of class features? Properties. Manage attributes, access with getter and setters. Static methods. Methods that do not access instantaneous or class data. Class methods. Methods that receive the class as first argument. Example decorators. Here the property and the static method and here the class method. Like this, so many decorators are there for using a class methods. Now, what is class variable and what is object variable? Class variable. Class variable shared by all instances defined directly on the class. Object variable. Unique to each other, each object defined within a init or method using self. Init means we have to using a constructor there. Use class variable for shared state and object variables for unit data. Now, static variables in Python. Static variable. A variable shared across all class instance. Usage. Defined inside the class but outside any method. Example class car. Vehicle equal to 4. Advantages of using classes. Modularity. Organize code into reusable components. Encapsulation. Hides internal state and protects data. Inheritance and polymorphism. Enable code reuse and flexibility. Maintainability. Makes complex applications easier to manage. Summary of Python. Class definition. Use class and init to create templates and initialize objects. Attributes methods. Manage data and behavior with class and instantaneous variable and functions. Advanced features. Implement special methods, properties, static and class methods for power. Benefits. Enhanced modularity, reuse and clear code structure. Now we have to write a simple code and using class and objects. Now we have to open ideally we have to open a new file. Here I am writing a code. I am giving class person Whichever class we have to give. Colon using def and using constructor also. Def init self. Self is a default name comma age. Column no. Self dot name equal to name. Self dot age equal to age. Enter. Again I am giving one more function. Def say hello using self is a default. Now I am print f hello my name is self dot name and I am self dot age years old. This is a body. Now create one object of a class. Person1 equal to person open braces. I am giving a something Ram name. Com 20. Now I am calling a method person1 dot say hi hello. I am saving a program. By class dot py. I got error like self missing one organ position. Self is incorrect. Self okay. I am given a last person one f5. Okay. Here keep. Hello, my name is Ram and I am 20 years old. I use a class here. I use a class an object here. Like this, we have to do a programs. I think understood this topic. Thank you.